So I've been using the Prometheus for quite a bit now, and it's probably one of my favorite electric skateboards I've ever used. So to start off, I'll talk about the design of the board. This is definitely a powerful electric skateboard and probably has the most grippiest grip tape I've ever seen on a board. This board does have a flex deck and battery design, and the board definitely feels amazing whether you're just cruising around or just going off-roading. Although I do have some mixed opinions on the trucks, but I'll get back to that later. So the main thing I do want to talk about with this board is its performance. It definitely is very torquey and can easily bring you up to about 35 miles an hour. The performance is something I do like, but what blows me away is how good the range is. I've ridden quite a bit of electric skateboards, but none come close to the amount of range I get with this one. With this board, I've typically gotten about 100 miles of range. This is definitely really crazy, especially when their website only claims to offer about 40 miles of range. I have seen other reviews and they say this board has about 36 miles of range, so we can probably trust them more. Now, I did mention before that I do have mixed opinions on the trucks, and the reason why is I get speed wobbles with them. I have tried changing the bushings to harder ones, but I still get this weird speed wobble effect. But from my experience, as long as you don't go faster than 25 miles an hour, you should be fine. The one thing I definitely wanted to bring to your attention is the remote. It is really unique and I really love it. It has a very bright display and has an oddly very comforting shape. One thing I would like to point out is you can easily adjust the board settings with this remote, like its acceleration and braking. Now the overall question you have is, should I get this board? Like I said at the beginning of the video, this should be a definite yes. This board is extremely comfy and does really well at reducing bumps on both paved roads and off-road roads. And with an easily absurd amount of battery life, this board is easily one of my go-tos when on a trip.